Welcome to the Linux Administrator course by Network Rhinos, a practical, job-oriented training designed to make you industry-ready from day one. Linux powers over 90% of cloud infrastructure, servers, and DevOps environments today. Companies are hiring skilled professionals. Here's what you'll master in our course: Linux Essentials, Permissions and Security, System Administration, Networking, Package Management, Virtualization and Cloud Integration, Troubleshooting. We offer flexible schedule options, with weekday and weekend batches available, along with online and offline hybrid learning. Gain access to lab setup files, study guides, resume support, and lifetime access to recorded classes. We help you get placed with support like resume building, LinkedIn optimization, mock interviews, and job referrals. Why choose Network Rhinos? Our trainers are from top MNCs and we offer a hands-on lab-driven approach. Your Linux career starts here. Contact us today or visit our website to get started.